o'clock. Busy day. I want to give everybody the update. What we're doing is we're looking Tiffin County area a week back. So today is the 11th. We're looking back all the way through the 4th. And today we're going to touch on a couple conversations I've had with some sellers later. Zillow's Zestimates and Zillow's instant offer. Is that a good thing? Are their numbers right? I'll get to that in just a second. So we'll get into that. Should you take that big Zillow check? So we'll come back to that here in a minute. First off, we'll get right into the numbers. So Tiffin County area, there are 62 active properties for sale. Tiffin County area, 62 for sale. How many can you actually go look at that aren't on any other contract already? 24, unfortunately. So if you're looking to buy, there's 24 properties out of that 62 that are available. Doesn't leave you a whole lot to pick from. We'll get into the price point for what's available. So in the last week, again, we're looking back a week into the past, back to the 4th. There was 12 new listings that came on the market. Unfortunately, 4 of those are already under contract. Unfortunately for you buyers, for you sellers, that's fantastic news. 1 back on the market, 3 price reductions, which we have seen more and more of the price adjustments. So the market will tell you, and the market being you buyers, what they think of the property, what they think of the pricing there pretty quickly. Gives us a good idea what to look for. 9 contingent properties. That's some properties that were already on the market and some of the new ones that do now have an accepted offer on them. 1 pending and only 2 sold in the last week. Again, this is just looking at the Firelands data. I'm going to share with you some of the quarterly reports for the entire Seneca County area, going from the auditor site. We're going to look at the first 3 quarters of 2020 versus 21 and just Q3 2020 to 2021 here. I'll get those numbers here briefly. We're going to do a much deeper dive here later. But we are live. If you got any questions, let us know. We're live on Facebook and YouTube, like always, pretty much every Monday. So that is your update as far as for that. What's available? So 8 properties, 100,000 or less. 2 of those are auctions. So there's a couple auctions coming up there. So price to be determined on those. So 100,000 or less, there's 8 properties. Our biggest category, 100 to 200,000, there's 11 properties. 200 to 300, there's only 4. And 3 to 400,000, big old goose egg, unfortunately. And 400 plus 1, bringing us up to a total of 24 active properties on the market. Let me bounce back to, let me see here. We'll go into what those numbers look like for the week. So these are active properties. So of what's come up for sale, here's a combination of the sold and new listing data here. 3 beds, single bath, on average, just under 1,500 square feet. Listing price on average, $158,000 and $113 a square foot on average. Again, up quite a bit from what our traditional Tiffin market usually looks like. Selling price, $162,500. Again, on average. Again, on our median, we only had 2 properties sell to compare with at $140 a square foot. So